there, I'm Missing an Art, and welcome back to my channel where I dive into all things creative and help you enhance your social media game. Today, I've got an exciting topic lined up for you. We will be exploring the ins and outs of designing for social media and how it can significantly impact your engagement. So, if you're eager to boost your social media presence, stick around until the end and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with my latest content. I upload designs and art tutorials every Friday and Sunday. Now let's jump right into it. When it comes to social media, one size does not fit all. Each platform has its unique characteristics, user behavior, and content preferences. So it's crucial to tailor your designs to match each platform's vibe. Now let's break down into our first 2 points. Platform compatibility. Designing with platform compatibility in mind is crucial. Take Instagram for instance. It's all about visuals. So, high quality images, catchy graphics, and attention grabbing thumbnails work the best. On the other hand, Twitter has limited character space, so creating eye catching headers and concise images is vital. User behavior. Understanding your audience's behavior on each platform is vital as well. People interact differently on Facebook compared to LinkedIn or TikTok. Analyze what works best on each platform and tailor your designs accordingly to create an authentic connection with your audiences. One design does not fit all audiences either. Let's explore the significance of creating and catering your social media posts to a specific audience. Know your audience. To engage your audience effectively, you need to know them inside and out. Research their demographics, interests, and age group. This data will be your secret weapon to create designs that resonate deeply with your viewers. Speak their language. Once you know your audience, it's time to speak their language through your design. Adapt your tone, your style, and the visuals to match what your audience relates to, making them feel like you understand their needs. Now that we understand the importance of designing for specific platforms and audiences, let's explore some design aspects that will skyrocket your engagement levels. Eye-catching thumbnails. First impression matters. The thumbnails are gateways to your content. Create eye-catching thumbnails that intrigue your audience and make them want to click on your post. Consistent branding. Consistency is key to building a strong brand presence. Maintain a consistent color scheme, typography, and visual style throughout your posts, creating a recognizable identity in the process. Everyone loves a good story. Use your designs to tell a compelling visual story that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Incorporate call to actions. Encourage your audience to take action. Incorporate a clear and compelling call to actions into your designs, prompting your audience to like, comment, share, or visit your websites. We've covered some essential design aspects, but let's talk about why engagement matters. Algorithm love. Social media algorithms favor content with high engagement rate. The more likes, the more comments and shares your posts receive, the more likely they are to be seen by a broader audience. Building a community. Engagement fosters a sense of community. When your audience engages with your content, they feel connected to you and to your brand, and that fosters loyalty and trust. And also, engagement goes both ways. When your audiences comment, you comment back. And there you have it, a few pointers on how to design for social media. Understanding each platform, knowing your audience, and focusing on the right design aspect can significantly impact your engagement and grow your online presence. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post tutorials like this every Friday and Sunday. And I will see you in the next one.